In this video, I'll show you step by step how to pay FedEx customs fees online, quickly and easily. If you've ordered something internationally and FedEx is handling the delivery, you'll often need to pay customs or import duties before your package can be released. Don't worry, the process is straightforward and I'll walk you through it from start to finish, so make sure you watch till the end. First of all, keep an eye on your email. FedEx usually sends you an email notification when customs fees are due. This email will include details about your shipment and a payment link. Once you receive that email, open it and look for the option that says something like, "Click here for payment." Go ahead and click on that link to begin the payment process. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to the FedEx payment page. Here, simply click on Continue to move forward. On the next screen, you may be asked to confirm or review some basic shipment information. Once everything looks correct, click Continue again to proceed. Next, FedEx will ask you to enter your email address. This email is used to send you a payment receipt and confirmation once the transaction is completed. Carefully type in your email address, double-check it for any typos, and then click Continue. Now you'll see the available payment options. The exact options can vary depending on your country or region, but commonly you'll see choices like credit card, debit card, or sometimes local payment methods. In this example, select credit card or debit card, since that's the most widely used option. Once selected, enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, CVV, and any other required information. Make sure all the details are correct before moving on, as incorrect information can cause the payment to fail. After entering your payment details, click on Pay Now. FedEx will process the payment, and within a few moments, you should see a confirmation message on the screen, showing that your customs fees have been paid successfully. This means FedEx can now clear your shipment and continue with delivery. Once the payment is completed, your package should move forward in the delivery process and arrive at your address without further delays. You'll also receive a confirmation email with your receipt for your records. That's all it takes to pay FedEx customs fees online. By the way, if you want to keep your banking information secure when you're sending an online payment, I highly recommend using NordVPN to encrypt your connection and protect your data, especially on public or shared Wi-Fi. You can find a link to NordVPN in the description below this video.